A fireman usually works in hazard conditions, and many times they don't have a good knowledge about the environment where they need to act, because of the amount of fire or possible building collapses. For this reason, it's interesting to have a way to avoid these life risks. But to do that, it's necessary a system that does the same thing that a fireman does on a fire breakdown. For this reason, Firebot was developed to fulfill these needs and help firemen in their daily work. The Firebot is a remote-controlled robot to act in this kind of situation. Because of the track system, the robot can move through different types of environment and support the water jet forces. Equipped with a motor to control the hose nozzle angle, the user can adjust the distance where the water jet can reach. The user can control the water flux and its intensity with the opening of a valve. The robot is equipped with a camera that gives the user the robot point of view. The user can see the camera images on a screen on a base station, along with the robot sensor readings, and the user can control the robot with a wireless controller. The controller movements are received by the front end, then go to the back end to be delivered to the robot. The robot readings are sent to the back end to be sent to the front end in order to be shown on the screen.